Since I'm on vacation, I thought, why not spend a full day in Central Park? But then I realized this park is so big, my vacation might end before I finish walking it. So instead, I decided to enjoy just one corner fully and share that beauty with you. Central Park is right in the heart of Manhattan, New York City, covering 843 acres. That's why it feels less like a park and more like a small country inside New York. No wonder people from all over the world come here to relax and recharge. Location: Manhattan, New York City. Size: 843 acres. Central Park is right in the middle of Manhattan, New York City. It's spread over 843 acres, which makes it one of the largest urban parks in the world. That's why most visitors, like me today, choose to enjoy just one part at a time. A huge open space in the middle of the park where people picnic, play sports, or just relax. It's often used for concerts and events. One of the most iconic spots in Central Park. The fountain with the Angel of the Water statue is a favorite place for photos and filming. A beautiful lake with rowboats and the elegant bow bridge crossing it. It's one of the most romantic and photographed places in the park. A long tree-lined walkway leading to Bethesda Terrace, lined with statues of famous writers like Shakespeare. A small castle built in 1869 that offers one of the best views of the park and skyline. It looks magical, especially at sunset. A family favorite, with animals, sea lions, and penguins. As I did not go these sides, but I wanted to inform you those are planning to come. Central Park is full of amazing places. But I sure had a blast exploring this corner. Until next time, keep exploring with Mujahid's Notebook. Thanks for joining me on this little vacation adventure. Central Park is truly the green heart of New York City, full of history, beauty, and peaceful corners. I hope you enjoyed walking with me today. Please keep watching till the end. You'll enjoy the scenery and some of the most beautiful views this park has to offer.